Download Storyboard app from Play Store. Learn and prepare for various entrance exams but with stories. Link for the app is in the description. Hello everyone. Welcome to the History of CAD. So in this section of History of CAD we solve a problem on coordinate geometry that appeared in CAD 2019. Okay, so let us see what is the problem saying here. Let S be the set of all points x, y in the plane xy. We are talking only about the 2D figure. Point xy is of which means all the points in the xy plane which are being represented by this region S. What is this region S? Such that modulus of x plus modulus of y is less than equal to 2. Correct. So first you will have to find out what is the region that is being occupied by this equation, modulus of x plus modulus of y less than equal to 2 and modulus of x greater than equal to 1. Correct. So the region which is common to both of them, a region which is in this, which is part of this and which is part of this, okay, an intersection, a region which is common to both of them. I'll have to find out now what then the area in square unit of the region represented by S equals. Correct. So S is the region which is common to both of them, and then what is the area of this region is something that I am supposed to find it out. Okay, so let's put it in the graph paper and analyze this better. What is this region S represented by? Now you can do this without the graph paper as well because the values are quite easier, but we'll do it on graph paper for our better visualization of how are the things actually happening here. So let's first plot this figure. Modulus of x plus modulus of y less than equal to 2. So if I put x as 0, what will be y? Y will be equal to 2. Okay, let's just first take this equal to. Let's just make this modulus of x plus modulus of y is equals to 2. How will this figure look like? So if I put x as 0, y will be equal to what? 2. Okay, y will be equal to 2. So if x is 0, y is equals to 2, or it can also be equal to minus 2. Why? Since this is modulus. Okay, so if x is 0, y could be plus 2 or minus 2. Okay, because eventually we are getting a 2 out, but inside the modulus it could be, if I put x as 0, this y could be plus 2 will also give you plus 2, and minus 2 will also give you plus 2. Correct. So any value of plus 2 minus 2 will give you 2. So I don't know what is actually y. Could be plus 2 or minus 2. So 0 comma 2 and 0 comma minus 2 is the point that I get it here. Similarly, if I put y as 0, what will happen? X will be equal to plus 2 or minus 2. Correct. Then again I am getting a 2 here, but I don't know. So x could be plus 2 or minus 2. So let's plot it here. Now x could be 2 comma 0, or here it could be minus of 2 comma 0. So that is what is I get about this. So how will it look like? Modulus of x plus modulus of y is equals to 2. How will it look like? This is how it will look like, a diamond shape. Okay, this is how it will look like, this graph, if I were to plot it here. This is the graph of modulus of x plus modulus of y is equals to 2. Now since we are talking about less than, which means all the region that is there inside this. Okay, so we are talking about the region that is there inside this. So if I have to just put it here, I'm talking about this entire region here. Okay, this is one region to this. Okay, I hope you got it the region. Okay, so let's just rub this. We know the idea of the region that is being represented by this graph. Okay, or else we can just give it a color, so for our better understanding as to what is this region, because eventually we'll find out the region which is common to both of them. So let's just give it a color. See, this is the region that is being represented by this. Okay, so this is the entire region here. Now what else? Modulus of x is greater than equal to 1. Okay, now what is this region? Now what is this region? X is equals to 1. Modulus of x is equals to 1. Let's just find it out this. Then we'll see the part of greater than. What is modulus of x is equals to 1? So x is equals to plus 1 or minus 1. correct, then only I'll get the outside as 1. So x is equals to plus 1 is what? A line. x is equals to plus 1 is a line like this, here. X is equals to plus 1, and this will be the line which is x is equals to minus 1. Okay, so this is your line which is x is equals to 1, and this is your line which is x is equals to minus 1, because I don't know, again, x could be plus 1 or x could be minus 1. This is what now? This is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means I am talking about the region which is x. Here will be x less than 1, right? 0.1, 0.2, everything right here will be less than 1, and here if I go, it will be greater than 1. So I am talking about this region. I am talking about this region which is a region common to both of them. Which is the region common to both of them, because x greater than 1 will be any region which is outside here. Any region which is outside here, right? But I need a region which is common to both the red and the green part. Okay, so this is the region. So this is the region which is which means which is common to both of them, and I need to find out the area in square unit of the region represented by S. This is the region that is being represented by S. So this is the region. What is this? This looks like a triangle, right? This quite looks like a triangle. This is my triangle here. And what is the area of a triangle? Well, I know that that's half into base into height. If that's half into base into height, this what is the height here? This is 1, right? Because this is 1, so height is equals to 1. Okay, and what is base? What is base equal to here? Intersection point of both of them. Intersection point of both of them. And what is that equal to? What is that equal to? So this is x is equals to 1. If you put x as 1, y will be equal to 1. Okay, see, you have x plus y is equals to 2, and this is x is equals to 1, right? This is the second one, x is equals to 1, and this is the first one, x plus y is equals to 2. So if I substitute x as 1, y will be equal to what again? 1. If I put x as 1 in this, y will be equal to 1, and if I put y is equals to 1, x will again be equal to 1. If I put y as 1, x is equals to 1. But since this is a modulus, and this is also a modulus, so you can get all the points here which are 1 1, which are always be 1 1. So what will I get it here? Since x and y both will be negative here, so this will be what? X will be negative, correct? Minus 1, and y will be positive 1. Minus 1 and then 1. What will be this point now? X is negative, so minus 1, and y is also negative, so minus 1. Okay, so that's what you get it. Similarly, what will you get it here? If I have to see this region, is quite similar to this. So this will be what? X will be equal to 1. Okay, and y will also be equal to 1. Both are positive. Okay, and if I were to represent it in this region, x will be equal to 1, and y will be equal to minus 1, and that's how simple it is. Okay, to reach to the solution of this. So what do I understand from this? If this is 1, this is 1, this has to be 1, and so is this 1, and so is this 1, and so is this 1. So base of my triangle is 2. That is 1 plus 1. Base of my triangle is 2. 1 plus 1, that is equal to the base of my triangle. 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So what is the area of this triangle? Half into base. Base is 1 plus 1, that is 2, into height, that is equal to 1. Half into base into height. So what is eventually coming out to be? 2 gets cancelled. I get my answer as 1. So area of this green triangle is 1, and so will the area of this green triangle will also be equal to what? 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 1. So overall the area will be what? 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 2. 2 is my answer, because I want the area of this region. Okay, that is equal to 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 2. So half into base into height. Okay, so all that is being required here is a good visualization of where will the region lie. Okay, what is the region which is being common to both of them, and then eventually you see that the region here is a triangle. So you find out the area of the triangle to reach to your final answer to this question.